In this video, we're going to look at how to divide a quantity into a given ratio. So imagine I've got to divide 60 pounds in the ratio 3:2, and I'm going to use a bar model to show you how to solve this problem. Okay, so this is the bar model. Okay, notice I've got three yellow boxes, okay, and then two grey boxes. Okay, so my ratio is 3:2. So I use different colors for the different parts of my ratio. So you can see that all together I actually have 5 boxes. So the full amount, which is 60 pounds, okay, needs to be divided into 5 parts, okay, because I have 5 boxes all together. So 60 pounds divided by 5 is 12. So 12 is how much each box is worth. Okay, so each box is worth 12 pounds. Now I can work out how much all the yellow boxes are worth. Okay, so that is 12 pounds times 3, because there are 3 yellow boxes, and that is 36. And then to find out how much all the grey boxes are worth, I times it by 2 because there are only 2 of them. So that is 24. Okay, so if we divide 60 pounds in the ratio 3:2, we get 36 to 24. In this question, we need to divide 48 pounds in the ratio 5:3. You can already see the bar that I'm going to use to solve this problem. Okay, the ratio is 5:3. That's why I have 5 yellow boxes and 3 grey boxes. So altogether, okay, that is supposed to be 48 pounds, and altogether I've got 8 boxes. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 48 needs to be divided by 8. Okay, that is 6. So 6 is how much each box is worth. Okay. Now, if I want to work out how much all the yellow boxes are worth, then I need to times 6 pounds by 5, because there's 5 of them. Okay, this is the first part in my ratio, so that's going to be 30. And then to work out how much all the all the grey boxes are worth, I'll need to times it by 3. That's the second part in the ratio, and that is 18. So when I divide or share 48 pounds in the ratio 5:3, I get 30 to 18. Ava and John won 80 pounds on the lottery. Ava and John split their winnings in the ratio 1:4. How much does each person get? Okay, so I've got the bar to show the ratio. Okay, Ava, that's the yellow part of the bar, and John is the grey part of the bar. So you can see that the whole amount, which is 80 pounds, okay, has been divided into 5 parts altogether. Okay, and we get that because 1 plus 4 is 5. So I need to divide 80 by 5 to work out what each part or each box is worth. Okay, so 80 divided by 5 is 16. So I know that each little box or each part in the ratio is worth 16 pounds. Okay, so now that means that Ava, because she only gets 1 part, so Ava, okay, we already know that she gets 16 pounds. Now to work out how much John gets, okay, we need to times 16 by 4, okay, because he got 4 parts and each one of them is worth 16. So that is 64 pounds. And I can check, because when I add the two amounts, 16 and 64, I need to get 80 pounds. And the next example is a little bit more complex. So let's have a look. So Talil is going to make some concrete mix. He needs to mix cement, sand and gravel in the ratio 1:3:5 by weight. Talil wants to make 180 kilograms of concrete mix. And now Talil has 15 kilograms of cement, 85 kilograms of sand, and 100 kilograms of gravel. And the question is, does he have enough of each ingredient to make the concrete mix? Okay, so I've got the bar. Okay, so we have cement, sand, and gravel. Okay, so that's yellow part in my on my bar, that's cement. Then grey part, that's sand, and then the red part, that's gravel. Okay, so actually we have altogether 9 parts. So we've got 180 needs to be divided by 9. Okay, so 180 divided by 9 is 20. So I know that each box or each part in the ratio represents 20 kilograms. Okay, so that's 20 kilograms. Okay, each one of them. So now I know, okay, that if he wants to make 180 kilograms of concrete mix, then he will need 20 kilograms of cement. Okay, now I can see straight away that he only has 15. Okay, so I already know that he does not have enough cement. Okay, but let's have a look whether he has enough of all the other ingredients. Okay, so when it comes to cement, okay, then he will need 20 kilograms. Okay, when it comes to sand, okay, there are 3 parts and each one of them is worth 20, so that is 60 kilograms. Okay, he has 85 kilograms of sand, so that means he does have enough. Okay, so when it comes to cement, okay, that is not enough. Okay, he doesn't have enough because he needs 20 and he only has 15. Okay, when it comes to sand, he needs 60 and he has 85. So that means he does have enough, okay, of sand. And let's check gravel now. Okay, so that is 4 parts. Okay, sorry, 5 parts in my ratio. So that's 20 times 5, which is 100 kilograms. Okay, and he does have exactly 100 kilograms, so it is enough. But unfortunately, okay, cement, okay, is the ingredient that he doesn't have enough of, so he cannot make the concrete mix. So okay, so Talil doesn't have enough cement. Okay, another question. Zoe and Tom share some money in the ratio 3:4. Zoe gets £24, and how much money do they share? So notice that this question is a little bit different. We don't have the total amount of money. We only have what one person gets. Okay, so I know that the yellow part of my bar, that is Zoe, and the grey part of my bar, that's Tom. Okay, so I know that Zoe, okay, gets £24. So you can see that she gets 3 parts, and that is equivalent to £24. Knowing that, I can work out what each part is worth. So if I divide 24 by 3, I get 8. So I know that each part, okay, is worth £8. Okay, so now I know, okay, I can work out how much Tom gets as well. The question is asking me about the total amount of money. How much money do they share? So altogether, okay, they shared 7 parts. Okay, 3 and 4, that is 7. So if one part, okay, is £8, so then 7 parts, that is 7 times 8, which is 56. Okay, so that means that they shared £56. And one more question. Okay, Pat and Julie share some money in the ratio 2:5. Julie gets £45 more than Pat, okay, and how much money did Pat get? Okay, so this is slightly different question. Okay, so I don't really know how much each person gets. Okay, I don't know how much they actually shared. Okay, all I know is that Julie gets £45 more. Okay, now I've got my bar. Okay, I'm going to show you this bar a slightly different way. So it's still the same ratio. Okay, Pat, that's the yellow boxes, and then Julie, that's the grey boxes. I have 2 and 5. However, I chose to show it like this so that you can see very clearly, okay, that Julie, okay, gets 3 parts more. Okay, she gets 3 parts more. So you can see, okay, that these are the 3 parts. Okay, and now we know that she gets £45 more. So that means that those 3 parts are equivalent, okay, to £45. Knowing that, I can work out how much one part is worth. Okay, so that's 45 divided by 3, which is 15. So I know that each part, okay, in the ratio is £15. Okay, now the question is how much does how much money did Pat get? Okay, so remember Pat was the yellow, okay, and Julie, that's the grey part of my bar model. Okay, so if I want to work out how much Pat gets, okay, that's 2 parts, so 2 times 15 is £30, and that's the answer.